You're not supposed to put a dresser coupling under pressure like that. Then it goes to PVC and then CPVC. So nothing has gone to plan so far. The pipe that I was hoping would be threaded is not threaded. So this is a 3/4 inch pipe threading tool. I've never used one before, technically. I'm going to learn underneath this house. But I'm pretty confident that this won't fail because I threaded it, I used the appropriate CPVC glue, I did just about everything by the book. This is a redo video of the plumbing that I did the other day, based upon a comment that I got from Rick Hammer. He says, ultimately what I had done, and I'll insert a clip of it here, is I had a CPVC fitting that was female to screwed onto a metal threaded pipe. And Rick says that, you know, you're better off using a male CPVC that sort of compresses in instead of being split outward. Hopefully when I show the picture, it just it'll become more evident. But the CPVC would effectively split because the wedge will make it, the metal is not going to give way. So based upon this comment, you know, it being more of a sound connection, I was going to come back in here and replace it. But at lunchtime, I ran over here and checked, and my pipe is leaking. I'm not going to show you that because it would have to turn the water off again, and it's hard to crawl in and out of there. So I'm going to replace the fitting with, let me show you that. This metal fitting is going to allow me to go ahead and tighten that down inside of another female coupling, a metal female coupling, so I can have a good mechanical connection there, and I don't have to worry about anything coming loose or any plastic threads stripping out. Alright, so there it is. I think that is a much better connection. And I think we're in better terms in this. What am I trying to say? So what I had going on down there was a plastic fitting over the metal pipe, and what I've effectively done is changed that and gone from metal to metal straight into the PVC, so I no longer have this weak threaded connection because the plastic just isn't tough enough to thread on there. And I was a little too scared to keep tightening it down, so I think the connection that I made in there now is superior. And if this video is still up by the weekend, it means my connection held and everything is good to go. If not, I will take the video down like I did the first one that you may or may not have seen. Anyway, thanks for watching.